Good morning, students. Today we will discuss numerical of Kirchhoff law. This is the question that says that use Kirchhoff law to find the value of R so that no current flows through 4 ohm resistance. Also find the potential difference between A and D. Okay. This is our circuit. A current flow from 9 volt, which is I, and because there is no current flow in the branch of 4 ohm resistance, that means this total current is flows from this branch. Okay, there is a no current dividation in this branch. Okay, because of current entering this terminal, we take it as positive and it as negative because this is the leaving terminal. Same as this terminal is positive, this terminal is negative. This terminal is positive, this terminal is negative. Remember that there is no current between C and F because question already mentioned that there is a no current flow from 4 ohm resistance. Okay. Now we take loop ABCF, and we take our loop as clockwise direction. Okay. Now what will happen? 9 volt, because we leave from positive terminal of battery, we take as positive sign, then minus I into 1 because we leave from negative terminal. Okay, minus here also minus I into 1. There is no current, that means the voltage drop in 4 ohm resistance is 0, and we leave from negative terminal of battery, that means we take as sign negative. Minus 6 equals to 0. This is a way to calculate current from rule of Kirchhoff. Okay, 9 minus this will be 2I minus 6 is equal to 0. That means I equals to 3 upon 2, 1.5 ampere. I equals to 1.5 ampere. Okay. I equals to 1.5 ampere. Now we take loop, this one, loop CDEF, current entering from this terminal which is positive and leaving from this terminal which is negative, that means minus IR minus 3 and plus 6. Because there is no current, that means the voltage drop in 4 ohm resistance is 0. Now, what is the value of resistance? Minus 1.5 R equals to minus 3. That means R equals to 3 upon 1.5. That means the value of R will be 2 ohm. The value of R will be 2 ohm. Okay. Now the second thing is potential difference between A and D. Okay. That means potential difference between A and D equals to, if we calculate the voltage drop between point A and point D, then we find out potential difference between A and D. That means voltage drop in this branch and voltage drop in this branch. Okay, you see that voltage drop in this branch and voltage drop in this branch. That means I into, minus, because we leave from terminal minus I into 1 minus I into 1 Okay, there is no resistance, that means nothing. Minus 2I equals to 0. Minus 2I equals to 0. Minus 2I. Now, the value of I is 2 into 1.5, that means 3 volt. Okay, 3 volt. Okay, now this is the solution of this numerical. Okay, if you have any problem, then tell me in comment box. Now we will take some difficult questions. This question says that calculate the current in various branches of 10 ohm resistance. Also calculate total resistance between A and B. Okay, this is your circuit diagram or network. This is your 10 volt battery. This is your 10 volt battery. Okay, that means we have to find out the current in this branch and this branch. Okay, so first of all, when this type of question arrive, then you should draw your current pattern. Means current distribution pattern. That means a current from 10 volt battery flows from, it is denoted by I. Now in this branch the current flows is I2. In this branch the current flows is I1, because here at a point this current dividing these two branches. So we assume the current dividing this branch is I1, then the remaining current in this branch will be I minus I1. Okay, any problem? The remaining current in this branch is I minus I1. Now, again, when the current reaches this terminal or this point D, then again current divide into two branches. We assume in this branch the current is known as I2. Then what is the value of current in this branch? Because this current came from input and these two currents are output current, that means the output current is I1 minus I2. Okay, I1 minus I2. Okay, any problem? In this branch the current will I1 minus I2. Okay, now again at a point G, these two currents combine and makes a current which is named as I minus I1 plus I2 plus I2, and at this point this current and this current again combine and makes our original current which is I. Okay, any problem? Now to calculate the current in this branch and this branch, we have to find out all of value of current which is I, I1 and I2. That means we have to make three equations to solve it. That means in loop A, C, D, E, B, I, J. A, C, D, E B I J. Okay, because we leave from this way, then we take voltage as positive, that means 10 volt minus 10 I1 minus 10 I1 minus 5 I1 minus I2 and equals to 0. That means 10 minus 10 I1 minus 5 I1 plus 5 I2 equals to 0. This and this will make minus 15 I1 plus 5 I2 plus 10 equals to 0. 15 I1 minus 5 I2 equals to 10, or we written this same as 3 I1 minus I2 equals to 2. This is equation number first. Okay, this is equation number first. Now we take, our concern is from only equation. Okay, three I1 minus I2 equals to 2. This is equation number first. Okay, now see, in loop CDGH, okay, CDGH. Because this current enters from this terminal, that means this terminal is taken as positive and this is negative. This also will be positive and this is negative. Okay, this is positive and this is negative. Okay, we take our loop clockwise direction. Okay, now what is the values? The voltage drop in this branch is minus 10 I1 minus 5 I2 and plus 5 I minus I1 plus 5 I minus I1 equals to 0. That means minus 10 I1 minus 5 minus 10 I1 minus 5 I2 plus 5 I minus 5 I1 equals to 0. This and this will make minus 15 I1 minus 5 I2 plus 5 I equals to 0. That means 15 I1 plus 5 I2 equals to 5 I. 3 I1 plus I2 equals to I. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. We write this equation 3 I1 plus I2 equals to I, equation number 2. Now we have two equations. Only third equation we have to find to solve the current value. Now take this loop. Take this loop. We take our loop direction as clockwise. The current enters from this terminal, that means this is positive, this is negative. This is positive and this is negative because current enters from this point. Okay. Now in loop DEFG minus 5 I1 minus I2 plus 10 I minus I1 plus I2 plus 5 I2 plus 5 I2. That means minus 5 I1 plus 5 I2 plus 10 I minus 10 I1 plus 10 I2 plus 5 I2. I1 minus 15 I1 5 I2 5 I2 10 I2. That means plus 20 I2 plus 10 I2 equal to 0. That means 15 I1 minus 20 I2 equals to 10 I. 3 I1 minus 4 I2 equals to 2 I. This is equation number 2. Okay, we take common, okay, and divide from 5. Okay, 3 I1 minus 4 I2 equals to 2 I. Equation number 3. We take 2 and 3. If we solve equation number 2 and 3, then we have 3 I1 plus I2 equals to I. 3 I1 minus 4 I2 equals to 2 I. That means minus plus minus, this will cancel, this will 5 I2 equals to minus I. That means the value of I2 is minus I upon 5. Okay, the value of I2 is minus I upon 5. Okay, the value of I2 is minus I upon 5. Now we have to find out I1 value. Again take 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We take question number 2 and 3. We take 3 I1 plus I2 equals to I. 3 I1 minus 4 I2 equals to 2 I. We multiply question number first by 4, then it will 15 I1. This will cancel because 4 I2 minus 4 I2 will cancel, and 4I and 2I will make 6I. Now I1 equals to 6I upon 15. 2I upon 5. I1 equals to 2I upon 5. I1 equals to 2I upon 5. Okay. Now put these two values in equation number first. Put these values in equation number first. 3 into 2I upon 5 minus I upon 5 equals to 2. 6I upon 5 plus minus and minus plus I upon 5 equals to 2. That means I will be 10 upon 7. I will be 10 upon 7. And when you put the value of I in these two equations, then you will find out value of I1 and I2. Now the value of I1 is 2 into 10 upon 5 into 7. 4 upon 7, the value of I1, and the value of I2 is minus I upon 5, that means minus 10 upon 7 into 5, minus 2 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7. That means we find out the value of I1, I2 and I. Okay, we find out the value of I1, I2 and I. Now, what is the current in branch 10 ohm CD? Current in branch CD of 10 ohm, I1 equals to 4 upon 7 ampere. Okay. Now, what is the value of current in branch GF? In branch GF, the value of current I minus I1 plus I2. Put the values of I value 10 upon 7 minus value of I1 is 4 upon 7 and value of I2 is minus 2 upon 7. Then you will get 4 upon 7. The value in this branch is 4 upon 7 ampere. Okay. Now, what is the total resistance between A and B? Between A and B. So, what is the total resistance is? Total voltage upon total current. So, what is the total voltage? Total voltage is 10 volt upon total current is 10 upon 7. 10 upon 7. That means our total is 7 volt. Okay. Thank you, class.